ready? Okay, you can open it.
Now? Okay. Something rises right here. Maybe some monster truck? Maybe a car?
Check.
Okay. It's color pencil.
Yay, there's so many things inside.
There's some.
Do you like it?
Wow. I can open it.
Yeah.
No, I want to open it too.
You don't know how to open.
Yeah, bubble out.
Two more see.
No, now you have to pull this one out.
Yeah, you have to
This
pull
way,
this one. Pull it.
Upward.
Upward.
Yeah. See?
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, there is another bag inside.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Thank you, Monica.
There's everything.
Yeah.
How to open it?
It's zip locked, I think. It's locked.
Open this, please.
That mousey will cut it. You need to cut that ziplock.
यही बनाएको होइन यसैलाई उ दाँतले हुँदैन चक्कुले काट्नुपर्छ
It will break mouse's teeth.
See, I brush my teeth every day. That's why. I've got strong teeth.
Strong teeth.
Yeah.
Whoa.
What is
What
that?
is that?
Whoa.
Pencils. Eraser.
That's like a wheel.
Yeah, see? Such a cool eraser it is.
And what is this?
Let's
That's also, I think, an eraser. Color eraser.
ल
Look at this. Look at this. Hey, Mousy, look at this.
What's that?
This fur.
That's color.
Oh, color cakes.
What is this?
This is what is it? Crayon.
Show here
Show
also.
it
Show in the video. What is that?
It's a crayon.
That's like a wax crayons.
Wax carrot.
Crayons. Moini.
Oh, what is this?
Moini.
Huh?
What is this?
देखि छ नि?
Open it.
यो भोलि
Oh,
प्रेजेन्टेसन
look, what is this?
What is that?
बुझाउनु पर्छ
Show me.
सबैले भन्नुपर्छ क्या
Oh, there is
क्लासमा
something.
आएर
अगाडि बसेर
What is this?
प्रोजेक्टरमा लगाएर
प्रोजेक्टरमा लाएर सबैले हेर्छन्
Oh my
फोटो हाल्नु
goodness.
चिज बिग्रे पनि फोटो हेर्नु ए
Oh, that's another pencil.
मेहनत
Look
गर्दैछ
at
देखेछ
this.
नि
Look at this.
Oh my god.
2x2.
2x2. Yes. Show here 2x2.
Show it to
So
Papa.
what is that?
This is so long.
Huh? That's
2x2.
because there is two different colors in one pencil.
अनि वाट इज दिस दिस इज द स्ट्रेन्ज वाट यु इट विथ दिस
Oh wow, what's that? कति राम्रो रहेछ कस्तो बच्चालाई बर्थडे गिफ्ट दिने टाइपको के त हुन्छ नि बाबुको बर्थडे गिफ्ट हो नि हो
वाट इज दिस फर
Do you need my help? Do you need my help?
Yeah.
And
Oh,
it's a sketchbook.
Let's go open it.
सबै ओपन गर्ने
No.
ए कलरिङ बुक रहेछ छोरा यो त
how is it?
I want to open this first.
यो यहाँबाट भित्रबाट छोरा
That's like a watercolor.
You need a painting brush for that.
Yeah.
नट विथ द ह्यान्ड
Water use गरेर के त हामीले सिकेछ Oh, there's a brush too. There's a
Yeah, you need to show here.
Maybe we can do with the water.
म चाहिँ गएँ अब पाँचतिर ल गर है